When someone passes away, one of the first questions families usually ask is, do we have to go through probate? And the answer is, not always. Hi, I'm Wes Harvin with the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about when probate is required and when assets can pass outside of the court process. Let's start with the basics. Probate is the legal process used to transfer certain assets after someone dies. It may involve validating a will, appointing someone to handle the estate, paying debts, and then distributing property to the right people. But here's the key point. Not every asset has to go through probate. It really depends on how that asset was owned and whether a beneficiary was properly named. For example, if someone owned a bank account, vehicle, or home in their name alone with no beneficiary designation and no joint owner, that asset may need to go through probate before it can be transferred. But other assets may avoid probate completely. Life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and some bank accounts can pass directly to the people listed as beneficiaries. Assets owned jointly with rights of survivorship may pass directly to the surviving owner, and assets inside a properly funded trust may avoid probate as well. Now, one common misunderstanding is that having a will avoids probate. It usually does not. A will tells the court who should receive your property and who should be in charge, but the court process may still be needed to carry that out. That's why we have to look at the full picture. What did the person own? How was it titled? Were beneficiaries named? Was there a trust? And if there was a trust, were the assets actually placed into it? Every estate is different, and probate rules can vary depending on the situation. So before moving money, transferring property, or making assumptions, it's important to get guidance. If you recently lost a loved one and you're not sure whether probate is needed, reach out to us at the Estate, Trust, and Elder Law Firm. We'll help you understand what needs to happen next and walk you through the process. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks.